we're making roasted pumpkin seeds in the shell. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making roasted pumpkin seeds in the shell. So hop on board and let's get cooking. The first thing we do is cut the pumpkin in half. This is where our big muscles come into play. Now, remove the seeds. Remove those seeds. Now I'm going to separate the seeds from the pulp. Just pinch them to get them out. Roasted squash seeds, pumpkin or butternut, are a real fan favorite in my house. Roasted pumpkin seeds in the shell are so good and so tasty, and they're really easy to make. I mean, this is the worst part, but it's not so bad. It's kind of meditative. Just gotta pinch it, get them out. They easily separate. If your squash seeds are too small, you might want to forego roasting them. Now, I'm just going to remove these little bits. Just going to give it a bit of a rinse. Once we've taken off most of the pumpkin guts, we have quite a few pumpkin seeds here. We're just going to add them in, making sure to remove any pumpkin guts along the way. We add to our cleaned and washed raw pumpkin seeds 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Bragg seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of Spike seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of Cajun spice. Stir to mix. We have our rimmed flat baking sheet, which we spray with olive oil. We take our seasoned raw pumpkin seeds and spread them out in a single layer. Just spread them out in a single layer. Try to create some separation if you can. It's okay if there's a little bit of the pumpkin still there. It roasts up nicely as well. And we bake it in a 375-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to give them a little toss at the 10-minute mark. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Or hop over to our website, veggieoutlaws.com, where we have new recipes coming out every week. Or you can pick up a copy of our cookbook, Veggie Outlaws Most Wanted Vegan Recipes.